Happy homies, it is your homegirl Natalie and welcome to today's video. I thought I would just play dress up with some recent thrift pickups that I've got. So yeah, all this stuff that I got, it's just been like walking around the neighborhood, finding a little place, picking something up kind of thing. So Kevin didn't want to be part of this. Albie, you gonna stay with me? Yeah. So that was my friend's dog, Kevin, as my sister calls him, Kevin from HR. So I've been dog sitting him for a week now and he does really great with Albie because he's so docile and calm. Let's get on to the first thing. I guess I'll probably make you guys like 2 outfits per item because I don't have like too many new things, but all right. First up are these 2 skirts. I forget which one is the one that actually fits me, and they were pretty cheap, so that's why I got both of them, because I was like, I don't know which one's gonna fit me, but I want more leather in my wardrobe, so this was my little way of trying to get something out. Might have to cut them and make them a little bit shorter. Let's make the first outfit. So as it turns out, both of them actually fit. They didn't 3 weeks back. All right, let's do like a neutral look and then a colorful look. So for this look, I was like, okay, all black. The easiest thing to do is a turtleneck. I added in this little belt just to break this up. Maybe I could like stack some more belts. Hold on. The white is too much of a difference. So maybe if I don't mind this if it goes to the back. I'm gonna go for some black knee-high boots because that seems like what I should be doing. I'm just gonna add my black blazer and make it all come together. I think this is an okay look for the length that it is. All right, this is the second skirt. Initially, I was just gonna wear this and I was like just gonna throw on some boots, but I'm like, that's too plain. Let's try to do something else. So I was wondering, how can I mix in some colors? I'm gonna try on this mesh top and then see if I could put on this shirt because it does have some black in it, so that does tie in to the skirt. Let's see. This is very much so giving sexy office worker. This is a little bit better, I think. Much, much better. I'm gonna throw on a beret because I need something to give me more height. I wonder if I can add in some more color, but it's just gonna be a blazer anyways. Okay, I don't mind this. What's good with this blazer, was good with this blazer, was good, I mean, was good, was good, was good, I mean, was good, is that the buttons have, I thought it was black, it's navy. Oops. Well, I got some pins that are black and I'm just gonna act as if this goes together. It does have some colors that also reflect in the blouse. So in my head, it looks good, and the #1 thing to pull off any outfit is confidence. So if I say it looks good, then it looks good. Right, Albie? You think it looks good? If you do, high five. Okay, that was kind of slow, but thank you. Thank you. Thank you for thinking about it. I think the other one I'm just gonna end up selling, so stay tuned. I'm probably gonna put that up on Instagram. That's how I sell all my stuff, so yeah. Alrighty, our next item is this chopper sweater that I found. I was like, oh my god. I wish though it was like thicker, but I'll take whatever one-piece merch, as you know that I went to so many different Jump stores, Mugiwara stores, and I found nothing. Let's try to do a casual look and then a not so casual look. Is that possible with the sweater? I don't know, we'll see. Abby, you like this outfit? High five! Okay, that one was faster, yeah. Anyways, all right, so for this look, dude, my brain was like, boop, 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 boop. But with black, my brain is like, That's really interesting. So seeing the sweater, it has pink and purple. So immediately I was like, okay, let me see if I could try to find some purple stuff. Is this the casual or is this the dress up look? I guess it's casual because I'm wearing sneakers, I guess. And I just wanted to play with the colors, so I added in a purple beret. I decided to play with the pink, so that's why I have pom-pom earrings. For me, I guess it's a little casual little look. Whenever I'm not wearing heels, for me, that's like casual. Let's see if I can make this. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see, Abe, let's see. If I can make this more dressy. I have a couple different options. This, but then I was like, it looks too different. This one, but the pink's not matching up, kind of throws me off. Then I thought about this one. Pink and baby blue always look really cute, so maybe I can go with this. Okay, so this doesn't look too bad. I'm kind of thinking like, where would you ever wear this combination. If it was, I don't know, like to tie the top at the bottom, I'm gonna pair it with this. Oh wait, these two blues are different. Let's just try it out. Okay, I got it. Who would want to wear an outfit like this? A librarian. Maybe they want to rock out with their favorite book merch in a sweater. I think a librarian. I paired it with some pink pom-pom earrings to make it more fun. And now I'm putting on these. It goes with the color palette. What do you guys think? Like imagine if there was like a Harry Potter sweater. Maybe it had a big ass picture of Hermione and you wanted to rock Hermione at work. Maybe this is the way that you would wear it. I like it, it's fun. There we go. Why would I want to wear it this way if I was a librarian? The manga section just opened up and guess what? We got one piece, everyone. That's how I would be. I don't feel like putting on a shirt just yet. Next is this skirt that she doesn't zip all the way, but that's fine. At least she hits me like right here. She hugs them curves, she flares out. I've been wanting a maxi skirt, a little bit of a darker wash than I would have normally have gone for, but being that I've been wanting like a long denim maxi skirt, I was like, okay, let me take this because I haven't been able to find anything else. Pretty straightforward. I know exactly what I want to do is just wear it with my Puppy's Delight sweater, and I think pairing it with my brown ABBA boots is gonna look really cute. Also look quite trendy. You know me, your girl is not about being trendy. Maybe that was like what, like last year's trend? She's late, but she don't care. Whatever. Yes, this is exactly the vibe, the look, the feel. Right, now we're gonna throw on. Wow, this is the most trendy I've looked, I would say. Someone commented on that thrifting video, they're like, wow, your haircut makes you look so on trend and relatable. And I was like, relatable? Did my long straight hair not look relatable? I would say if anything, that's super relatable. Relatable of like not going to the salon and wanting to get your haircut because you're either lazy or you have no money. That's relatable. I think what's gonna pull this together are those yellow tinted glasses. Hold on. Oh my God. Trendy girl. Wait, what if I add on my headphones? I look like every girl on Pinterest, Instagram, TikTok, and I have no smiles. Too good. But this, who's calling me? Hi.
Hey, what's up? So I called the agent from.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Ooh. I just had a kind of important phone call. Hopefully, not hopefully, it will become into bigger and better things for your girl. Anyways, going on with the look. Trendy girl. Trendy girl. I love these freaking boots so much. They're not like an all day or day kind of shoe. Comfy if you have like moments of sitting down. But if you're on your feet the whole time, yeah. Oh wait, what if we did and remember, never smile. Look bored. Now let's make a colorful look. I know exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna throw on my big House of Sunny green sweater vest. We have the sweater vest on. I wanna add in like a long skinny scarf. I wore this look but with a different skirt. I'm gonna wear this one with my cowboy boots. Since we have orange, I'm gonna throw on my orange mushroom earrings, which again are from my girl Shop Nom Q. The headband completed the look, added in some more height to my body. You know, I was actually a little bit scared of like, this is too much of a dark denim. I don't know if it's gonna fit with my wardrobe. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to make outfits, but I did, so I'm really proud of that. I have 2 blazers and then I have 2 jackets. I think I'm just gonna show you how the jackets look like, because if I make an outfit for that, it looks kind of random because then you won't even see it. I am so happy that I scored this leather jacket. When I was looking at it, it was giving me go-go kind of vibe, so I think that's what I'm going to make the first outfit. 60s kind of style, yeah. 60s, definitely this dress all the way. Now next thing, I think I'm gonna pair it with some tights. Oh my God. Hold on, it's gonna take a minute. Okay. Got the tights on. I'm debating whether to go with my cowboy boots or to go with these. Definitely the cowboy boots go better. I thought this dress was gonna go well with this, but I thought this was wider than what it is. This is more cream. I'm gonna see if I can add in a cardigan so that it could add in cream tones to the look. All right, so I buttoned up the cardigan, took out the collar so you still have the white. I'm gonna throw on these rainbow earrings because they're fun. So I'm wearing my pink headband. I was gonna wear this one, but I just wore this one in the previous look, so I can't. Pink and green are complementary colors, so they're always gonna look good. Hey, here's a look. How cute. This is like something I guess I would be wearing when we're like kind of getting out of wintertime. I feel so happy. I'm so excited to wear this leather jacket out. This is an outfit that is very tried and true. I have worn this little dress with my little heels, with this little scarf, but I normally pair it with my oversized black blazer. Now I have this. Ouch. Ooh, she classy but sassy and ready to dance. I haven't been like in the mentality of like spring. I mean, I guess this is definitely end of spring, almost going into summer kind of look. This is an outfit that I'm gonna be ready to rock. Next is this oversized blazer, and it actually is a little bit too oversized. I'm gonna see if I can make it work. Since we did like the tiny dress with the blazer, I'm gonna do that for this. What I love about this though is like how long it is. I threw on this striped dress. Look, it's really oversized. I'm gonna pair these with my combat boots instead because we've been wearing heels a lot. Cute. What if I add in, I was in between this newsboy cap and this leather beret, but I decided to go with the newsboy cap because I wanted to let this pleather thing have its moment. Oh man, this is getting me really excited for springtime because I would not be wearing this in summertime. Or maybe I would be wearing this in summertime and then I would just be sweating my ass off. Yeah, I mean, even though it is oversized, I'm gonna try to keep wearing this, and if it turns out that I'm like, no, I can't, then I will sell it. Again, it will be on my Instagram stories, so be on the lookout, I guess. Would it be weird to pair this skirt with this? This is like big and flowy, this is oversized. What I'm gonna do is pair it with this little crop top, so hopefully that this is like small. It's okay that these two are big. I don't know, but that's the whole point. Is to just try on your clothes and have some fun. Yeah. Put on my Topshop platform boots. Let's see if this looks done. The screen is so small, I gotta check the mirror. I really love this. It's kind of giving me like Runaway Bride in the 80s or something. But I remember I have this. Maybe we could play with some more polka dots up in here. I love it. You know, I've been wondering how am I gonna wear this. This is the look. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. I love it so much. Cute, yay. So I totally forgot that I have one more shirt left. Is this? How freaking awesome. I know. Natalie, do you need any more button-ups? No, most of my button-ups are really colorful and stuff, so I was thinking like, maybe this could be used as like a pop of neutral instead of like a pop of color, a pop of some neutrals. I love the design on it. It's really awesome. And the buttons are really pretty too. So I think how I'm probably gonna style it for the first one is like classy, all black. You already know the deal. Let's go. So I put on these pants that I thrifted in Japan. I really love the texture with it, and because the texture is so funky, I think it went with the print really well. I just threw on my little strappy heels. I love these pants. They're so comfortable and they feel so soft. Adding with this, I probably would wear some gold jewelry so I could go with the gold buttons. Yeah, that's the look. I was gonna go for more color, but then I saw this sweater and it's actually backwards. Now I don't know which skirt to go with. I'm holding it like this because I don't have any pants on. I think the patterns clash a little bit too much. I think this will be okay. Oh, you know what boots will go good? These. Is this weird like this? Let me see. I went for tucking in the button up and just leaving the sweater out like this. Should I tie this together? But it looked kind of dumb, so I'm just leaving it out like that. This looks cute. I added in some star earrings to bring the blue up here, not just only here and down there. But yeah, oh my god, how cute. I'm scared to show you the back because I'm not wearing Sadie shirts right now. And now what we're going to do is, actually I'll just put this put it on. So I found this. I've been wanting a wool coat. Oh my god, it's so cute. I was so happy to find this, but I like that this shoulders kind of drop here. A little bit oversized, which is what I wanted, because what I want with these wool coats is to be able to layer a lot of stuff underneath. I tend to just wear my big puffer jacket, and it doesn't really matter what I'm wearing inside, because that puffer jacket is gonna keep me warm, so I don't have to normally think too much about like layering as much for the winter time. But with this, I get to have more fun with my clothes because I have to layer. It is like warm and stuff, but it isn't like I could just throw this on and be completely okay in this winter time. No, I definitely have to layer some stuff. So I think this outfit looks kind of odd with this, but I really wanted like a fur, like trim wool coat because my dad has one since before I was born, and he still has the coat, and the coat still looks like brand new, but it's such a beautiful wool coat that has a fur trim on. So that's what I was like really just looking for. I saw this and I was like, oh hell yeah, I'm gonna buy it. Really beautiful. It feels so nice, so luxurious. I think when it's just open, it doesn't look bad. When it's tied together, you could really see how oversized it is. I took out the belt and I placed it where my waist is, and this is how it looks like when it's tight. Does it look weird? All right, you guys let me know. I really loved it though. I was just like, oh my god, my dad's coat. I finally found my dad's coat. Anyways, that is it for this video, homies. I'm literally at 1% on my battery. Wow, we made it from 100 to 1. Yay. I'll catch you guys in the next video. It is now February. Japan series is done. Let me know what are some other videos that you would like to see. That is it, homies. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Hope you are blessed and not stressed. Bye.